Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Open Canva and go to video and choose this video resolution. Go to elements and type lemon videos and let's use this video as a background. Set video as a background. Go to text and type your text. Change the font to 210. Scroll down and use this transparent font and change the color to white color. Increase the size. Duplicate and type the second word. And go to elements and scroll down to shapes. Choose the square and change the color to white color and cover all the rest of the parts of the video. Keep just this transparent text. Let's duplicate this shape and cover all the parts. Let's decrease a little bit the duration of the first page. Add new page and change the color and choose this gradient style. Go to colors and make circular gradient. Let's change the colors as well. And go to text and add new text. Let's change the font to Anton. Change the color to white color and use italics style. Go to effects and choose left shadow. Increase the intensity and increase the size of the text. Duplicate. Let's make another word. Go to layer, show layers, and make this word behind the first one. Select both of them and rotate and try to place them in the middle of the page. And animate this text with pop and decrease the speed. Make the same for the next one. Add new page and go to uploads, and after uploading your product image, drag it to the design and remove the background. Place it in the middle and animate with baseline and make the direction from the bottom to the top and decrease the speed and decrease the timing of the product as well. And download this clip. just the third page, and upload it. Just drag it to uploads. Just delete this one and change the color to white color, and drag the video that we make. Go to elements and scroll down to frames and choose the circle, and drag the video inside the circle. Let's increase the size and place it exactly in the middle. Double click inside the circle and adjust your video. Click on the circle, animate with pop, and decrease the speed to the minimum. And add new page. Go to elements and type lemon photos and choose any image you want. For example, let's use this one, and let's use our product image. Remove the background. Let's increase the size and rotate it like this. And let's type a gradient text. Go to apps and type gradient. Use this app and type your text. And you can change the font and you can change the colors as well. And click add to design. Duplicate and click edit and type the second word and click update element, and let's make one above the other and go to layers, show layers, and make the products in the top of the layers, and duplicate this page. Go to the last page and increase the size of this text and decrease the size of the other one. Move this product and decrease the size. Rotate it and change the position of this image. Let's rotate it a little bit. And now let's make the transitions. In the first page, add transition. Choose circle wipe and choose out. Let's increase a little bit the duration. In the second page, we will use the same transition, circle wipe, out. The third one, we will use flow. And in the last one, we will use match and move. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.